Hey guys, Cool Blue here, and in this video today, I'm going to be doing a quiz. The quiz is, what famous Animal Jam YouTuber are you? Okay, and I'll put the link to this quiz in the description below. So let's take the quiz. So, what is your favorite color? I'm so evil. Red. What kind of videos do you like watching? Let's see. Probably tutorial. What do you do for fun? Play AJ. What do you usually wear? Who is your favorite YouTuber? Probably everybody on this list. Julian too. And will you follow, comment, or like? If I sure. Okay. Okay, no. This is the last question. Do you cause no. Okay, calculating. I am Love Narwhal AJ. Love Narwhal AJ is my favorite YouTuber because she's closest one to my age. She's nice, make cool videos. Okay. Okay. So I wasn't expecting this. But yeah, so that's pretty much going to drop it off for today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.